GM and Daddy Nono is having a gardening here in Puente Aconia subdivision, Rojas City. Face GM, say hi to your fans. Oh, hi. What will you say? GM, what will you say? What will you say? Oh, what are you doing? Oh, tell them what you are doing now. Tell them what you are doing now. Hi. Oh, tell them. Tell them. Oh, we are here. We are here having a vlog in the subdivision where GM will have a garden. Look at this one. Look at this one, guys. There's a lot of houses in here. Oh, there's a lot of houses. There's the house of our relative. Oh, they are painting it right now. Okay, welcome to GM's. GM, come here and say hi to your fans. Now, say now and campaign that they will subscribe your channel.
Hi.
Please. Oh.
Please subscribe to my channel.
Oh, look at the camera and invite them to subscribe your channel. Go.
Thank you for watching my channel.
Oh, please subscribe.
Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.
Okay, what are you doing right now? You're gardening with Daddy Nono. Okay, hi guys. Okay, keep on subscribing GM's channel.
Bye bye.
E-learning. Bye.